Good morning, everybody. Finally made it back out here on the water. It's been a long time off, weather, life, you know how it is. But we're back out here, Hillside. Just launched about 30 minutes ago, trying to head out to the bait grounds, get out there, see if we can find some bait, and then catch some bait, and then get them out there and see what happens. But stay tuned. Hopefully get some action for you guys. See you soon. All right, we're back on. I was planning to try and bring you guys along when we found the opelus, the bait balls and stuff like that, but it was fast and furious, quick. They were on the move, did drops, got our bait, and didn't turn record on. But that's all right. Got one live bait out. I've got a couple more in the tube. Brought a Sheldon who I'm out here with, threw me on a coolie. So we got baits out on the poles to see if we can make something happen, turn that opelu into something bigger. Stay tuned. Hopefully if we get some action, I remember to turn the camera on, but stay tuned. All right, guys, hooked up big on the opelu. Yes, sir. Alright guys, at this point, as you can tell in the video, I sped it up just a little bit, because if you're anything like me, there's about 8 to 9 minutes of me just reeling with nothing but what you see in front of you. So I get a little bored watching 8 to 9 minutes of somebody reeling, so I just sped it up a little bit for you guys so we can get straight to the action at the end. Also, I'm not sure if that's something you folks would like to watch. If it is, leave a comment in the bottom. Or if you like the little speed up so we can get, you know, to where the action is quicker, leave a comment also. 25-pound shibi. Yes, yes. Alright guys, I hope you can see. I hope you got to watch some of this. That's right. First shibi on the boat, or on the kayak. First one. Gee. Stay tuned, hopefully we can get another one. Let's see what happens. Hey, welcome back everybody. Well, still got a bait out. No action since that last time. Brought a Sheldon back there, picked up a pretty good sized shibi, he says. I haven't got to see it yet. We'll see when we get back inside, but the wind's starting to pick up, so we're gonna start making our way back to where we launched from. But yeah, stay tuned. See what brought a Sheldon. Shoot. Alright guys, we didn't get any more action. Me and Sheldon had the wind picked up, the swells picked up. It's getting white caps. I don't know if you guys can see it. It probably doesn't look as bad as it actually is. We're fucking, excuse the language, we're trying to rush in, trying to get out of this, but it's pretty sketchy right now. Trying to not flip the kayak, and waves are crashing over the side, but stay tuned for when we get back inside and we'll show you guys what we got.